Hey, this is Bastian from AndroidPIT. The OnePlus 6, the latest iteration of OnePlus smartphones that shock big brands like Samsung, Apple and others year after year. But is that flagship killings formula still as attractive as it used to be with the OnePlus One? It still is in at least one respect and will catch its competitors' attention, which charge twice as much for their smartphones. The OnePlus 6 is following the latest smartphone trends in design. Gorilla Glass 5 covers both the display and the back of the device as well. The mirror black version is the most attractive of the three colors. Both Midnight Black and the limited Silk White versions quickly accumulate greasy fingerprints. But then again, OnePlus does offer a variety of protective covers. The external dimensions of the OnePlus 6 only deviate from the OnePlus 5T's measurements by a few millimeters, but at the same time the display on the front is larger. The AMOLED panel displays 1080 x 2280 pixels on a 6.28-inch screen. The pixel density of around 401 ppi isn't staggeringly high, but the AMOLED display shines with rich colors and a deep black. And speaking of black, you can hide the notch in the settings. Although during my test I never found the notch to be disturbing. Even with it, almost all apps are correctly displayed, since the notch rarely conceals information. In the past, OnePlus users couldn't complain about insufficient performance, and once again the brand has given the 6th generation the most powerful combination of a Qualcomm SoC, memory and RAM. It therefore isn't surprising that the OnePlus 6 outperforms all competitors in terms of benchmarks. I would add, however, that it's not as easy to notice the effects of speed as it used to be. It's a real pity that OnePlus decided to bypass the costs of network and IP certification. Instead of LTE Cat 18 with 5-fold carrier aggregation and IP68 certification, there's only LTE Cat 16 with 4x CA and a vague statement that the OnePlus 6 can withstand rain. So please don't take it to the shower or a bath. OnePlus is somewhat inconsistent with their camera concept. After the dual camera with a tele option on the OnePlus 5, the second sensor on the OnePlus 5T was used for low-light photography and bokeh effects. With the OnePlus 6, it's only used for the portrait mode with a blurred background. The photos taken with the OnePlus 6 are consistently good to very good, even if the colors are a bit boring and neutral from time to time. The portrait mode consistently produces good images with appealing bokeh effects. In low lighting conditions, the OnePlus 6 has become better than its predecessors. But when it comes to photos, it can't compete with the Huawei P20 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus or Google Pixel 2 XL. The OnePlus 6 does offer a very impressive video mode. The smartphone shines with 4K at 60 FPS. The optical image stabilizer can compensate for camera shakes. In slow motion, 480 frames per second in HD and 240 FPS in Full HD are available for up to 1 minute each. There is no 960 frames per second burst. The best thing about the OnePlus devices is beyond the technical data and is called Oxygen OS. OnePlus's version of Android is lean and doesn't require any bloatware. Whether you're scrolling through an infinitely long Twitter or Facebook feed or running graphics-intensive games like PUBG, the OnePlus 6 is never overwhelmed. And there's one thing OnePlus does really well. The manufacturer has often listened to the requests of the community and provided new features via update that were missing at the start of sale. The only annoying thing about the mono speaker is its unfavorable location on the lower part of the frame. You easily cover it with your hands when you're using the device in landscape. Inside the OnePlus 6 is a 3300 mAh battery, which depending on your usage lasts between 1 and almost 2 days. Should the battery run out, the unrivaled quick charging technology of OnePlus helps. Dash charge can bring the battery to 60% within 30 minutes, and the battery is fully charged in just 86 minutes. Despite a slight price increase compared to the OnePlus 5T, the OnePlus 6 still offers a really good overall package. The combination of really fast hardware and lean software fulfills OnePlus' promise of the speed you need. But the focus on a smooth experience may be the biggest weakness of this phone. There's no wow effect, there's nothing special apart from the still really great charging technology. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.